How to select data from multiple tables. Now, if you want to select more than one tables and display the data from it, you can use something called as inner join. This is the tables that I have: department table and employee table. And now if I want to display both of these tables related to each other, we use the inner join. So first I'll just comment out the display of employee table. So from here to the last place, I'll just comment this out. And now I'll just change this query to be that of an inner join query. So for that we write select star from department, and then we write the keyword inner join. Inner join basically gives a cross between the two tables. So it acts like match the following between two tables. So whatever joining key you give, it will match in both the tables, and it will do the display the full record. So in this I have done select star from department, inner join, and then the second table name employee, and the joining key would be department ID. So I've written on department ID is equal to employee.department ID. So basically the employees having a certain department ID will be displayed with the corresponding department details. So now you can see that the ones that have the department ID 6 will be displayed together with the department details. Now here there are two of each because I have duplicate values. Now here when we interchange the inner join tables, so instead of writing department inner join on employee, we are changing it to employee inner join department. We'll get the following. So first the employee details will be shown, and then the corresponding department. So this is how we can get a join of two tables, or we can select multiple tables and display it as one whole table in Python SQLite.